What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not back to work on this stolen GSR. We're back, well, we're not back. We're about to start on another stolen GSR. So, as if one stolen GSR wasn't enough, especially one black stolen GSR wasn't enough, let me introduce you guys to another black stolen GSR. So, yeah, these GSRs, they still get stolen in, these days. But here it is. This is 1995 Integra GSR. That one, if you can see it back there, that's 1994. Difference between these cars is not much. They're both OBD1, they're both black, they're both GSRs, and they both got stolen. But these thieves weren't as much as a dirtbag as those thieves. So let's take a look at the car. First off, we're gonna start. We have 98 and up front bumper. So the front end, headlights, bumper, corner lights. That's all a facelift pieces there. On the side here, we have some stuff wrong with that door, and we have those definitely can't be real. Probably some knockoff eBay optional side skirts. We'll talk about the wheels in a second. Coming out to the side, you can see here, we got some rust, which is pretty sad because if you could tell, this paint is actually in pretty good condition. It gives a nice reflection, a couple scratches, but it could be polished out. But with this type of rust, I think we might have to paint this car. Moving on to the back here, we have 98 and up headlights, 98 and up rear bumpers with, again, most likely aftermarket valences. But as you can see here, there's some scratches on the bumper. So see some scratches on the bumper here, and then you also see there's a dent on the rear filler panel here. According to the seller, this car was parked on the street and they pushed it from where it was up the street and kind of dropped it off, did what they did and just dropped it off right there. So these thieves probably didn't have as much time as those thieves. So that's probably the reason why this car still has most of the body panels. Coming up on this side now, we got a little bit of rust here. Some tacky body work. This is an antenna delete. This is dented. You guys can see the dent there, but maybe it's not dented, but whatever they did there, I think they bonded that in. Kind of want to push it through, but it's not going. And then you could tell there used to be a wing here, a spoiler, that looks like they just literally lifted it out. Yeah, and then these, so these things just sometimes don't know, but these right here, these are actual optional Integra. See if I can show you guys this. Hold on. See that? Angle's terrible, but these are optional Integra rain guards, which are actually, I wouldn't say they're rare, but they're pretty sought after. Now we could talk about the wheels. So these, for those of you guys who know Integras, these are GSR Fat 5s or GSR hammers, and they've been powder coated like a glow in the dark neon color. Now let's take a look inside. Let's see what they left and what they took. So I haven't really taken a look inside this car. I kind of just dropped it off here and been working on getting the stuff I need to get this thing going. So let's take a look. So first things first, door panels are still here. I think that car actually still has the door panels as well, but there's a crease here, so maybe I don't think there's any fixing this. So door panels are shot, but we may leave those there. Seats are here, which these are black GSR leathers, which are actually in pretty decent shape compared to the ones that we threw in that car. Spoilers there, but as you can see, it's broken because the studs that are supposed to go in those holes are literally right there. So that's all there. That door panel looks in better condition. Rear seats look to be in pretty good shape. The guy left a bunch of stuff here, but it looks to be in good shape. That's still there. All the panels are there. The carpet is here, which is important because LS Integras actually came with gray carpets versus GSRs came with black carpets, and these are actually pretty hard to find. Now, you know, everything's still here. Clusters here. You know, it's a GSR cluster because it goes to 8,000, the red line. LS's go to 7,000. I think it has 220,000 miles. I didn't know that. But yeah, everything is here. And this is, I think this is the spare wheel. Looks yellow from this angle, but yeah. What the heck? I hope, well, actually I don't really care, but looks like somebody was doing a lot of something in here. We might have to blur those out. But for the most part, the interior is here. And this was a much better buy than the other one. But the other car I bought as a parts car to like long-term project. This one's kind of a short-term. Now let's take a look in this trunk. Let's see what's in here. Oh, whoa, whoa. Oh, wow, surprises. So we got another wheel. That's cool. You know, I never looked back here. I'm actually pretty happy. We got some swimming shoes. You know, I don't know who's going swimming in the middle of, you know, January, but we got some swimming shoes. Power steering pump. This is exciting. ABS pump. These bastards cut it. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. I mean, these, I just poured out a car and threw this away. Wish I would have done this video earlier. This guy had a traction bar and they cut it off. We got an AC compressor, the radiator, and luckily they didn't cut the hoses. But hopefully they didn't just throw this in here and damaged it. Oh my God, it was on that. Oh, that's not good. You got the AC pump, AC bracket there. There's a lot of stuff back here. Let me just take this out of here. I don't want this to damage. This spark plugs. If only we had distributor. But this thing. I wonder why they took this off. That's interesting. But they left it here. And this is the brake lines. I'm gonna have to take a look at this, see if the brake lines are still in there. It looks like they put like those look like pretty decent condition struts. Put this down. Maybe I can make some money back off of those wheels. Okay. Maybe I'm still holding this up. Nope. That's not great. Alright, we'll leave that for another time. Lastly, let's check the hood. Alright, not bad. Not bad at all. Let's put this up here. Not bad at all. So, what do we got here? We got some aftermarket lower control arms, probably True Hearts. We have the T-bracket, which that's a manual T-bracket. Those are kind of hard to find. We got the transmission, the subframe, the rear T-mount bracket mount. I think that's all we have. All right, all AC lines are still here. It looks intact. This is here. Power steering line's here. We're missing the fuel line. They cut that for no reason. There's just a one clamp they could have taken off. they cut the rear heater core hose. You see that's cut up there. Cut the evap hoses. I think that's all they cut. Looks like that's all they cut. Don't mind me, but this, I'm way happier with this stolen recovery than that other one. And I think that this has potential and could be on the road way quicker than that one. So, what are our goals with this one? How about you guys tell us? Put in the comments down below what we should do with this car. Should we just put it together and sell it? Should we just make it kind of, restore it, try to get like a GSR engine, which is really hard to find now or very expensive? Just give us options, put it in the comments, and then we'll decide what to do. And by we'll, I mean me. I'm gonna decide what we do, but with your suggestions, of course. With that being said, guys, thank you for tuning in. Make sure to put in the comments what you want us to do with this, and let us know what you think. I mean, these cars are still getting stolen. What ways should people be protecting their cars? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to turn on the notification bell. See you guys on the next one. Peace.